Now, everyone, we are live again! Same thing, we're making a game with AI, but this time I already have a game that I've been working on. It's a small game. Haven't really been working on it, actually, but it is really cool. This is it. Ignore those little bastards. Yeah, this game is called Adventure Box. It's not released yet because, well, I'm still working on it. Go to Quest Giver. Yeah, ignore that. I put 4, and then I put 5 on this. I also need to move this down the combat frame. Don't know why it's visible. But yeah. Really cool. I'm having a problem with the moves. Let me turn down my sound. There we go. It gets annoying at a point. Oh, and the mastery does work, and it does save. I haven't added races yet. Also, the reason I'm calling it Adventure Box is kind of obvious. But if for the people who don't think it's obvious, no one's even watching the stream, so no one can take a guess. But the reason I'm calling it Adventure Box is because the player spawns in a box. The entire map is one giant forest in a box. So, like in block shoots, there's like seas. Well, for this, each world is gonna be a different box, but each one gets bigger and includes more lore. And yes, I will add lore. Like, a piece of lore for the first world, or just common thing, is that every quest giver is the same person. It's just, they explore more as you go on. Because the quest giver is moving around. First, that's the first quest giver. Then I'm gonna make this second quest giver over here, quest giver 2. And as you can see, he's a little more scared because he's seeing, like, more of the forest as he got here. And he's just gonna be, like, growing up as we do our adventure. God damn it. Let me leave. Alright, now let me join back. Oh, found a problem. There we go. Also, if you're wondering when the next Playtime stream is going on, it's gonna take a while, just because, well, it's, like, very big and a lot more horror aspect-y. Don't even know if that's a word. Let me move the combat frame down. Also, I am sick, that's why I sound different. Alright, and there we go. Easy fix. Yeah. Also, you can say it looks like block shoots because that's where I got the inspiration for the GUI. I don't really care if you say it looks like any other game, because every game idea has been stolen and every GUI design has been stolen too. So I just don't know how to like make anything anymore without it being like sort of copyrighted. I can see the issue. Good. Also, I did add custom sounds for each material. I also added double jumps that I kind of forgot about. I also had the over-shoulder camera. The zombies have a respawn. I want to remove that sound they make because I thought it was a good idea, but it wasn't. And there's the combat script. It just has like the cooldown and the damage. And the quest module, it just changes the active quest frame to say it. Like if I just change that, like if I just change it to say defeat 5 zombies, then it'll say that on the objective. I think for like the next mobs, I think I'm gonna use like elves. Or no, on goblins. Yeah, goblins are better. Not that. Oops. What's this? Alright, so now we have you. Let's give him a little club. Or a bat. Wooden club. Wooden club. There we go. Now we go. Plug in. This, that. Now we give you the club. Just gonna move it up a little. There we go. Now we have our violent goblin that wants to bash the player's head in with that. I'm gonna remove its body colors, go to its humanoid. Viewer. Yeah, then we go goblin. Let's just do 20. Okay. Now it just doesn't even become visible. God damn. That's annoying. I just want to test something while that does that. Okay, nice. The goblin actually uses... Oh! Yes, and when the player touches it, it does damage. Okay, but that's a problem because when we step on it, it does damage. Overall, this game only took... I just started making this game, like, yesterday. So yeah, you guys could probably do this too. Also, I won't add game passes for when I first release it. I think I'm gonna create an inventory button like right here. Image button. create image, or look through images. Screenshots. There we go. A backpack, backpack. Shopping bag. Actually, let me open toolbox. 2D. Backpack icon. There we go. Copy asset ID. Make this one. Actually, no, wait. Don't make that one. Yeah. Then we add a UI corner. Yeah, like that. Then we'll add we'll name it inventory button. Guess we'll add a UI stroke. Make it more, yeah, there we go. I want to keep it 5. Nope, not a local script. I can't even code. No. Yeah. Let's change that to say backpack. Just name that text. Rich text, text scale, text color. Make it white. Then shrink it. Just add it like right there. Then we'll also add a UI stroke right there. 2. Yeah, that's good. Oh, wait. Next to the text, I want to put I to open. Make it a little bigger. Yep. Just like that. Yay. Haha. Look at that. It's so good. Down slam. God damn it, it's still happening. Game making so annoying. When I used the Z move, then clicked, attacked it, the zombie went back to full health. Funny because we don't even have anything to use for the backpack. But I will also make a stat. Button. A stats button. Stats. Then instead of I, we'll make it like J. Yeah. I just gotta find like a stats. Stat. Yeah, that's good. Stat button. Yeah, I'm liking this. Yeah. Sad thing is to say 0. concurrent viewers. Let's see how messy my game. Oh my god. Regen delay, min health threshold. Really liking this. I'm just gonna tell this to make like actual inventory GUI. Just because I'm too lazy to actually make it. I'm gonna tell it to put in player GUI. But I actually did make all of this. I'm just too lazy to make like actual like frames. Unless I make a frame, then make like the nah. I don't really know. You know, I don't have a weapon, so I think I'm gonna make a sword. About like, yeah, that much. And do it about, yeah. Also, let's change this to wood. Wood. Yeah. Then Control D. Oh god. Alright, alright. Then we duplicate it again. Do that. Now we do an even more fun part. You just gotta really just duplicating that, making the side smaller, making this smaller, doing that, doing that. Then basically just duplicating it and moving it down. So it does that same thing on the other side, and then we gotta do it for this. Alright, now we duplicate it again. We gotta shrink it like that. Shrink those sides. Then duplicate it and move it to the other side. Alright, wow, that handle actually looks kinda nice. Yo. But I think I will, let me just make this. I just want it smaller. Yeah, there we go. That's really looking nice. Still no one's here, though. Haha. Oh, god damn. I always accidentally open Blender. Also, the reason I'm not doing this in Blender is because I don't know how to use Blender. Makes the blade a little longer. Now the annoying part. Actually, wait, no. Before we get to the annoying part, I just want to do this. Then change it to gray. Change it to like slate. I don't know. To make it just have a little bit of like detail. Also, just for fun, since that's just to explain what it did, make it so if the player gets damaged or the player damages a mob, make a billboard GUI appear off saying how much damage the player did or took. Outline what Reddit outline over here. If they got damaged, red outline, no, blue outline, blue outline, blue outline over they damaged. There we go. That should be a nice little detail that I can spend like 5 hours on. Swear to God, this AI gets slower and slower every time. Also, I actually did try to play Chapter 3 ahead before live streaming it. I got stuck on the Mistelight chase. Because for the love of God, I could not do it. Like, Home Sweet Home, that was more like psychological, trying to mess with your head and stuff. But the school was so annoying, I crapped my pants like 5 damn times. Yeah, it's good. Let's rotate it. Move it. Bam. Pine cone. Then change this to wood. Gotta make it perfect. Yeah, sword. Well, I actually did good. Okay, now go to model, make it a union, then rename it to handle. Then we'll insert a tool and rename that to wooden sword. There we go. Then we'll move this up. We'll rotate it. Move it up about 1,000 miles. Take a picture of it. Okay. Grok. no, create new chat. Don't ask why I'm using Grok. I really don't know. Sometimes I just don't feel like doing any other. Grok, can you please add a black outline on the wooden sword model, the center, and make background of the image transparent. Also, to go to tool grip. Yay. Let's move it down a little. A little too big now that I realize. Shrink it down. Yeah, that's better. Alright, there we go. Now the player. Never mind, we're using ChatGPT. Add a black outline to the sword and make the background transparent. Also make the sword a little medieval cartoony. Oh, right, this. No! God, I hate this world. Starter pack. Player now has wooden sword. Goofy walk. I think I need to move the stat button down a little. No, yeah, there we go. The only boring thing about this is that a lot of sitting around. It's the only really annoying thing. Also, I will live stream me, like, replaying chapter 1, but this time, like, actually playing it, like, not speed running it, because I was so scared. And I actually have gotten used to horror games, so I'll probably be, like, less scared and say, like, pause a lot more. I probably won't pause a lot more, like, for the chapters I played. Actually, I mean, I could do it right now. Let's first check this out. Please work. Oh god, let's check the script. Yep, there we go. Right there, that's the culprit. I think after this fixes and it works, I think I'll end it. I'm only going to add 2 quests. That one, which of course already works. This one, I will implement these 2 and make the wooden sword. But then once I'm done with that, I'll probably release the game. And then see how it goes from there. Can't promise it'll be good. I can see the script structure looks correct. Let me check if there's an issue with the script file itself. XP display. And then you got all this shit. Poof, 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 poof. And update level in gold. Base XP. Level scaling. 10% increase per level. Switch to polynomial growth at this level. Polynomial power controls the growth rate and turns around 950k at level 300. Yeah, that was a problem because at like level 300, the players are at like 100 quadrillion XP needed. So I tell the AI add a XP reducer. Because if I didn't add the XP reducer, shit, at level 2000, it would have been like a bajillion. Also, I did add a dash button. And also for the combat frame, I did add a mobile use buttons for the Z move. So yeah. I did remember to add mobile. I wasn't mean. I was gonna make you guys like get annoyed and just make it for PC. That would have been a jerk move. I regret doing that because every time I've done that, it always deletes the entire game. Like, I had an entire game. Let me try to find it. 1 second. First, let me test this out. Still doesn't work, but that's fine. Alright, but yeah, but look at, if I go to experiences, go to here. God's Odyssey was like a game I worked on for like a good like week. Like, it looks so, like, it's too bright already. It did look good, like, but when I was implementing like inventory and stats, it just broke. And I told the AI like to fix it. It deleted everything, like all of this was gone. So I had to find out, and there was only like one last published version. God damn it. Copyright, copyright, copyright! Playing incorrect. But I did make all of this. And boy, am I proud. Also, I think I slash S 100. Yes, it still fucking worked. What about slash G? I think that was... Yes! Oh, wow. If you want me to actually, like, fix this game and, like, make it better, then I will. Also, I did make these trees. This game was, like, the first time I actually tried to make this stuff. But, yeah. But that was it. Really, not really anything special. Sadly, no one watched. But yeah,